Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. Ball A is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity v-naught. Ball B is thrown upward from the same point with the same initial velocity v-naught, but t seconds later. Given that t is less than 2 v-naught over g, determine the elapsed time measured from the instant ball A is thrown until the two balls pass each other. Also find the velocity of each ball at the instant they pass. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We set upward as positive with the launch point as the origin. Ball A is thrown at time 0, so its height at any elapsed time tau is v-naught times tau minus 1/2 g tau squared. Ball B is thrown t seconds later, so its height uses the shifted time tau minus t in the same kinematic formula. The balls pass each other at the instant their heights are equal. We set YA equal to YB and substitute the position formulas. We expand the squared term on the right side, distribute the 1/2 g factor, then cancel the identical terms that appear on both sides. What remains is a clean linear equation in tau star. Dividing through by t gives a simple linear equation. Solving it, the elapsed time from when ball A is thrown until the two balls pass each other equals v-naught over g plus t over 2. For the meeting to happen after ball B is actually in flight, tau star must be greater than t. Substituting tau star and simplifying recovers exactly the given condition, t is less than 2 v-naught over g, so the solution is physically valid. Ball A's velocity is v-naught minus g times tau. Substituting tau star, the v-naught terms cancel and we get negative gt over 2. The negative sign tells us ball A is already on its way back down when the two balls meet. Ball B's velocity uses the time since it was launched, which is tau star minus t equal to v-naught over g minus t over 2. Substituting, the v-naught terms again cancel, and we get positive gt over 2. Ball B is still heading upward when the two balls meet. Summarizing, the two balls meet at a time equal to v-naught over g plus t over 2 after ball A is thrown. At that instant, ball A moves downward at gt over 2 and ball B moves upward at gt over 2. Their speeds are equal, but their directions are opposite, a neat symmetry result. As t approaches 0, both velocities vanish, consistent with both balls reaching the apex together. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.